Very good.
Ah, no.
Oh, this is a pigeon.
Run, Marcy, run.
It's like bad Budgie.
Goodness. I wouldn't mind her doing it for the camera.
That's right. Now he gets up. Jeez, now it's silence. I know.
Here we go. Oh, look, he's after the other one.
I just wish what is he going for?
Try to weigh it down. Silent. Silent. Excellent.
It's already a minute. They're back. Oh, that's very good. First he's going for the dove, now he's going for the other one. And then the dove and the pigeon were going for each other. Oh, it's very funny. They're riding into the sunset.
Daddy, look. The seeds for people.
Oh, Daddy.
I'm feeding them, and then I'm gonna wash my hands.
Yeah, move pigeon.
You can't eat them.
I'm not.
You need it.
Yeah, you can.
Ah,
Sorry, just give me the pigeon. Oh yeah, it's like a bull rider.
Get down.
He's falling
And
off.
now